Good morning, cookies, and welcome to Number Corner. I think you know the drill by now. We're going to review our patterns, but we're going to look at the pattern strip here. So our pattern this month has been going circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. And this part right here, the pattern unit, repeats and repeats and repeats itself. So if we look at our calendar here today, and we know we had a triangle here, think about what the next pattern piece is going to look like. What comes next in that pattern? All right, give me a drum roll. And it is an object shaped like a square. We have a cracker, probably a saltine cracker by looking at it. You're also going to notice two numbers on here, 2 and 4. Those two numbers go together to make a new number called 24. That means there's 2 sets of 10s and 4 ones in the number 24. And we can double check we have 24 by counting. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you're counting with me. And you stopped because I'm not touching anything else. So last number we said was, you're right, 5. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That's right, 24. So it's September 24th, 2020. Let's go over our days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And if we count down to the months, here's September. It's the only one that starts with the letter that makes the sound, which is S. We count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means September is the 9th day. So if we were going to write, and hold on one second. I'm just getting a dry erase board because Miss B just had a brainstorm. So September is the 9th month. So we do our circle, then our line to make the number 9. Then it's the 24th, so that's a 2 and a 4. And this year, a lot of people have been writing the year all out, 2020, and not just the last 2 numbers of it. So if you wanted to write it out short, and this is what you will be doing on your papers when you get in school, is dating your papers. So we need to understand the date. 9 September, 24th day, year 2020. All right, so we're going to slide over. Miss B's got a new setup. We're going to slide over here a little bit. I'm going to show you over here real quick. Miss B, guess what? I made a mistake. Because I'm a person, a human, we all make mistakes. Miss B, with doing the filming every so many days, I do a couple of these, I totally forgot that I had not done yesterday's number, which was 17. And I thought I had forgotten to do the day before, so I added 17 and made yesterday 18, but guess what? Today's really 18. So up here, we'll slide you over a little bit. Come with me, come with me. You coming with me? There you are. So we have our 10 and 8 more back here for our dots. We have the number 18 on the line, and if we count it, we will find that, oops, got my pointer. See my pointer? He's ready to point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And when we see that, we're going to clap. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I bet you can guess what tomorrow number will be. But we're going to slide back here. Whoops. Don't want to come off the chair. We're going to slide back here. We're going to put this down a little bit so you can see it a little better. So if you look right here, we have our number line, we have our cards, and Hap's coming along to help us out. Hap! Say hi, Hap. He's going to help us count. Here we count and hop. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what Hap wants you to do is find one of these. Whoop! I heard somebody say stop. We're going to turn it over. We're going to find that number on our number line. So tell him to stop when he gets there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're right. He needs to stop right there because that is the number 6. And guess what you have to do now? Hap is there. He wants you to hop 6 times. So let's hear you hop. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember to stop. Okay. Hap says let's pick one more number. Are you ready? Okay. Let's turn over this number. I heard you shout it. You're right. That's the number 4. So let's find where we're going to stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Good job. Now help him hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to stop. You can play this game yourself at home. Have someone give you a number and hop and stop at that number. I hope you have a cookie-licious day. I will not see you tomorrow because it's Friday. And you need to do Number Corner. It's always going to be different on Fridays. It's going to be on Schoology. It's on the agenda. You are going to be putting the number up on the digital number line. You're going to be counting Nope, you won't be counting cubes because we're done with that right now. But you're going to be adding links. You're going to be looking at the calendar grid and doing a couple other things. And I'm looking to see who's doing it and being a very good mathematician. So don't forget. Have a cookie-licious day.